everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got a sample box of clothing from Honcho Wholesale. So let's look inside and see what kind of condition we have. All right, let me give you the specs on this particular box. This is from Honcho Wholesale. The link will be down in the description below, so if you want to check out the site yourself, go ahead and do that. This is a sample box of plus size clothing that will be new in like new condition. So let's see what kind of stuff we got. The last box I got from Honcho Wholesale, I put the majority of it on Amazon, which I was really excited about because things seem to move a little bit faster. So it's plus size apparel, 15 items is what we've got in this box. 15 separate items. So let's see what kind of condition we got. So we have got some blue jeans, 24W petite, Charter Club straight leg tummy slimming blue jeans, really dark wash, so those are really nice. And then we've got a 2X, really nice top. I love plus sizes because they seem to sell a little bit quicker. So kind of a paisley design, Style & Company 2X.
What is Style & Company? Is that Target?
I don't know. If you guys know Style & Company, let us know which department store or big box store that it's from. This is another Style & Company, size 2X. I wonder if it says. No, it doesn't say on here. So another Style & Company 2X, just a blue, more kind of long sleeve tunic length style shirt. Then we've got, this looks like another top with a fun handkerchief bottom on it. Blue florals with stripes. Let me see what brand that is. That's an Alfani. Original price was $60 on that shirt. So here is also a Karen Scott 3X pink fleece vest. Looks like the original price was $33 on that one. And I have a kind of a retro fun sleeves on it. Top, 1X Alfani. Original retail price was $66. Then we've got a brown tunic length, kind of mini dress or shirt top. It's a Karen Scott 2X. Original retail price is $26 on that one. And we've got some sort of perfect time to be selling long sleeves right now. So here's a zip-up pullover 0X, which is also kind of like a 1X Karen Scott Sport. Red zip-up pullover. Then we've got, let's see, a Karen Scott 1X, original retail price $15, long sleeve black top. This looks like a sweatshirt. Oh, it's a jacket. This one is a Style & Company jacket. Really nice, kind of a gray, light gray, cute zippers. Original, it's a 5X, which is awesome. This is going to sell pretty fast. I love the funky neck on it. So you can kind of wear it like that. Original retail price is $64 on that. Let me see. This looks like a cardigan. Or maybe it's just a sweater. Nope, this is a cardigan with super cute ruffly collar on it. I love that. Look at the ruffly collar. It's kind of got a little...
What's the size on
this one's a 2X. It's black. Karen Scott. It does have a tag on it. Original retail of $40, but I love the big kind of cowl neck on it. Very flowy. It's super soft, super soft. Then we've got an Alfani 1X. Oh, look at that fun hem on that one. Kind of an asymmetrical hem on it. Floral with some stripes. Original retail price $70. Let me see, we got an Alfani 1X. This is a top. It's got a solid under and then a sheer overlay on it. Original retail price is $66. Let's see what else I got. Two more things in there. So this is a hooded kind of sweatshirt. Style & Company, size 3X, black. Let's see if I can get the hood. So it's just kind of a cardigan style, but a little bit more casual style cardigan, 3X, with little pockets. So it's kind of got a smock look with these pockets here. Original retail is $46 on that. Last thing in here is, looks like a vest. Karen's got 2X sport vest, gray. So really great condition. So a lot of these I'm expecting to be able to scan and figure out how much they're worth on Amazon, but I definitely think that they're going to be a good seller quickly for me. The Karen Scott and the Alfani brands I really, really love, and the condition is glorious. So everything is basically in brand new condition and really easily sellable. And if it's not on the Amazon platform, I will put it on Poshmark and sell it there. So if you're interested in any of these pieces, check out my Poshmark store down in the description below. And if you can't find it, it's at Paul Hooks. All right. And so again, this is a Honcho Wholesale sample box of plus size clothing that's new, like new condition. And I do believe everything did have a tag on it. And so they were actually all in new condition, and I didn't see any kind of tears or strings or anything like that hanging off anything. So great condition. I'm definitely going to be able to resell on the Amazon platform for most of it. And like I said, Poshmark for the others. So hopefully it's been helpful to see what you can get in a clothing box from Honcho Wholesale. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.